I'm a bun, I'm a tasty bun. Hello everybody. Today, we are playing Horror Nights. This is going to be fun. Can you shut up? I guess not. So, I'm guessing this is like a FNAF Help 1 ripoff. So, I guess we could start with the first night. Let's do this. Oh, yeah, no, I don't like this at all.
Hey, hello. Welcome to Megan's department store.
Oh,
Boss
yeah, I'm
asked me
super
to
glad to
record
be
a
here.
message to help our new employees settle in on their first night. Firstly, I'd like to introduce you to our fur mascots. They hold a special place in our mall. A year ago, our boss acquired these for retired industrial robots and transformed them into cartoon characters.
Okay, so this
Kids
is basically
love them,
just
and we
FNAF
also
Help 1.
started selling various children's products.
Ooh, cupcake.
Which earned our store quite a bit of money. Although they may look a bit worn out now, I still hope our new employees can show them some respect. Recently,
I can't show
there have
these
been
guys
some
respect. They look
unfavorable
like
rumors
absolute
surrounding
nightmare
our store.
I'm gonna look
Some
away for
people
1
claim
second.
to
It's
have
gonna
been
be
attacked by
3,
robots in the mall at midnight.
1. I'm gonna look.
That's clearly a lie. Who would stay in the mall late at night and invite trouble
Oh
upon
yeah, I don't like
themselves?
that.
What I want to say is that our
No, okay.
robots don't attack people. They
What?
can walk around at night, but they pose no
Hello?
danger whatsoever. To counter the slander from rival businesses, we have to recruit night security
So
guards,
yeah, about
which is
that.
you, to gather evidence that proves the safety of these robots.
Oh yeah,
So,
safety.
I hope you can stay in the security room and make good use of the surveillance. If any robot enters a blind spot in the corridor's monitoring, please immediately turn on the corridor lights to check. However, if you see those robots at the entrance, I advise you to close the main door. Also, the electricity provided by the company each night is limited, so you need to conserve power until 6 a.m. in the morning. Please be mindful of electricity usage. Oh, by the way, the buttons for the corridor light
Yeah, that's
and the main door are on the door frames to your left and right.
I don't
You'll
feel
need
safe
to reach out to access them. Believe me, it will pass very quickly. Good luck.
Okay. Oh, hi. He's gonna go to the steakhouse, I bet anything. I don't feel safe. And I'm probably not safe either. If it looks creepy, it sounds creepy, I don't know. It's probably creepy. Why, hello there. I'm just gonna close that. That's not making me very comfortable. It's already 3 a.m. We might make it. Yep. Hardy har 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 bar 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 bar. Hey, it's 4 o'clock. We're not gonna make it. Well, gosh, you're on at my door. Hi. I don't trust that. No. Oh! Oh, God. Come on. Get to 6 a.m. already. Come on, now would be nice if you could just make it to 4 a.m. Where did he go? Okay, he's gone, but I refuse to believe. Oh, okay. Press that. If he leaves the steakhouse, cooked. and Savior, keep me safe. We're just gonna... Sweet mother of pearl! I got a hat. Get that out of here. I don't want that. Ooh. I like my new hat. Should we do the second night? Yeah. Sure. Second night, 0 a.m., so we don't even exist.
If you're hearing this recording, it means you've safely made it through the first night. As I've said before, our robots don't harm anyone.
Oh, man. Speaking of work, you've probably seen our other free mascots, but I still need to introduce the cat. Cat in a Hat. We've noticed that she becomes more active when she's out of people's sight, so okay! Great! I hate that. Be careful, she's extremely fast and gets a little time to react. Of course, you need to pay enough attention to the other mascots. Okay. Okay, I think this is a strat. Hold on. We keep an eye on these 3 cameras and sometimes check on that one. Hi, I currently don't feel safe. Yep, he's in the supermarket. Oh, he's moved. As you could say, he's moved. I need to shut up. Hello, hi. Yeah, I'm sorry, but this is I hate this. I do this for you guys. I don't want to do this. But the mouse still hasn't moved. Okay, he moved. Zoinks. It's only 2 a.m. We have 64. Nope. See ya, wouldn't want to be ya. We're dead. I'm a bun. I'm a tasty cheesy Yep. Oh, come on. That's just cheating. We have 32 battery left. I don't think we're gonna make it. Oh, that's the banging that I heard. Good thing I didn't open the door. Hello, how you do? Hey, okay, I hate that. Yep. I hate this guy. muffin. Yes, yes, I wish to return. Okay. Second night. Wacka wacka doo doo yeah. Well, that's gonna be it for this video. We tried second night and absolutely flopped it. So, that's gonna be it for this video. Well, we're gonna try to get into a multiplayer lobby, see if there's anyone. Hello? Nope. Okay. Well then, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one.